Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me this morning is my husband Marcel. Mas Nevi, they here too. We actually reach already because we drive around that road that you always hear Mas Nevi saying is not too bad. So, but guess what? It wasn't bad this morning, Mas Nevi. You know why? Because somebody threw a mall in there. Yeah, I think it's your church brother, neighbor right here, same one who you were staying with. Yeah. Right. So.
You sit down when you go up the hill.
Yeah.
Reverse back, and see a man go down, go up on the hill and have a reverse back and come back up. And when you go up again, you go on a skid.
Yes, it's bad. It's really, really bad. But this one.
I store them, you know.
Yes, the stone, them slippery. And the road kind of lean one side because like one side of the road dig out. A long time, yeah, tell me, yes. But no, but since you tell us in a Mas Nevi, we drive around there and it's bad. The car always knock up under the bottom, but this morning it was different. Two parts of it look like them patch it out. Somebody patch it out with concrete somewhere there, and then another person patch with show some marl in the road, so kinda, you know, it's much better. Yes, yes.
No better, but a little bit.
Little better. So say, okay, so say morning to everyone, Mas Nevi.
Morning and happy Christmas when it come. I hope you might spend a plenty New Year and a happy Christmas. Bless.
Yes, yes.
Yes, God.
Oh, wow.
In my heart at all time. No sadness.
Yes.
All time is gladness, man.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that we deal with, man.
Yes.
No sadness.
No sadness, Mas Nevi.
Okay, it's rough, man.
Yeah.
Today, every day is a give thanks for everything.
Absolutely.
If it's bad, you give thanks. If it's good, you have to give God thanks to.
So true. Because we have life, and that's the greatest thing. Yes. Yes, guys. So we have been here for a little while. It's not too long, maybe about 15 minutes or 20 minutes ago. And we are continuing the work on the building today. Marcel, they run a corner here, so see him there. Hey. Right, and there's another workman around there. Same one who don't love camera. So since the last time you saw us, we were doing the foundation, and then now the builder came and he did the block, laid the blocks. See if I can pick it up. Hold on. Okay, right here. So he laid the blocks and so on. So today we are here, and hi Miss Vera, good morning.
Then take me away from you.
Yes, because you know see me. You know see me have to call and bad up Denise.
Good morning, good morning.
I take on Miss Vera this morning for.
Here, Mr. Man. Mr. Man, you couldn't make up the fire.
No, use fire.
You couldn't make up the fire.
I mean, I work with fire. You see what me I do when me I work with you.
Hey, Daddy one, get up there so now.
You're ready to carry your water today. Now tell me to help you.
We don't want no water. You're carrying on today. Rain fall.
Hi Sheldon.
Yeah, work with fire. You see the work with water.
Go and work with your fire. Make the fire wicked and water.
Yes, guys. So Miss Vera in the place, as you can see,
Summer.
and Miss Denise here too, and them, you know, they're responsible for lunch today. So everybody is here. I think 2 persons absent.
Yeah.
Who were here last time, not here today. All right. So the work continues, and we will, you know, show you as we go along. Mas Nevi, we bring some groceries for you today, and these groceries are from Brother West, right? Yes, yes. God bless you.
My brother West, me, my brother West.
God bless him. I hope my store basket might never empty.
Your store basket never empty?
Never empty. Full of
So you want to have something in a store basket?
Yes, man. Well needed.
Yeah, well needed. it, Mas Nevi. All right, so we're going to pick up Brother West, so thank him very much.
Brother West, I wish I could see your face.
Yes.
You say West, my name West, not Rest. West.
Mas Nevi get it. Will you leave Mas Nevi alone? All right, so all our donors, all our supporters, we thank you very much. We thank you for everything that you have done.
You know, brother.
Hold on.
You know? You know where I'm going to put them on.
Not bad, sir. How are you?
And not too bad if I never blow.
Okay.
That is the greatest.
That's the greatest.
Oh, God.
Yes, sir.
What's up?
Everything.
Miss Ver, after you come in a car and then now Marcella drive off, me like, where is Miss Ver? So Denise say you will come with her. Me I say,
Yes, man.
you know see me?
That car they happy this morning.
Yeah.
Happy, man.
So it's much better, not true?
Of course.
Yeah, but it wasn't bad when we are come either. We not knock up like we normally do.
Yeah.
Only thing we couldn't carry on.
You couldn't carry them then.
No, I'm not making one.
Of course, then we don't can walk.
Yeah, go back down in the car where you come up with because you take out Miss Ver this morning.
Mercy at me. Good morning, Miss Nevi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Morning, morning. So up to MJ in a come.
No, they are today gone on different work.
Oh Lord, and that big man to stay, but you don't want to stay.
Let me take over for MJ this morning.
O'Shea not here either.
Over for Roshenko.
Want something to do for one lady and him getting money to go buy the materials.
So I'm gonna deal with it. Plus him car breakdown from the last time he came. I want to say it again, engine mash up. Right, so that's being worked on. Yes, Miss Very, get it right. You like bearings. Yes, so they're the garage.
Actually, say, if your son know how much vehicle and your son and that vehicle, you know about to tell us when you broke that you help fix.
Every one of them insurance. No.
Them,
Okay.
but Miss Ver, them the car now broke down.
Them they are Mercedes Benz. And Lexus.
Miss Ver say, Marcel.
I think we can't spell them the word.
I forgot that one donkey.
You know about Mercy, I don't know about Mercy.
She said Mercedes.
Yeah, Mercedes.
And I carry a little young soldier with me today.
Hi, young soldier.
Nikai.
Nikai, how you doing? You don't look like you did one day at all. Nikai, they one day today. Mommy forced you to come, not true? Auntie. Oh. Up here boring. Not true. Who? Yeah, screw them up real good.
Mas Nevi say if a man get one chunk.
Oh, you lock it? Yeah, alright, yeah, alright.
And get one sheet of them. You know that. Yes, now.
Just as you're saying, you know, him worry about him shop, you know, the same problem, see. Get him machine.
Miss Mitchell. Miss Mitchell. You did.
I did who again?
Riley.
Oh.
Miss Mitchell. If you did ever see that party.
Oh. We remember, you know. We tell myself, but we never remember to look. Mas Nevi, same have Kirstenelli here?
Yes.
No,
yes.
not here. I mean, like, that's so short.
No, you have to spend time pull them off.
You're good for the baby, man. I'm not telling man to me love you, brother.
Yeah, I love you too. If me never love you, you see me.
Oh, man. I'm just saying to our spirit, God send you to me, man. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, God send you to me, Father. God do a man and put no grace.
That send we to you.
Yes, man.
Not just me, we.
Are you Mas Nevi at talk about? Sure.
Me want to come.
Why you no better put in the work, because all of them here did screw up.
I nail them.
One nail them did nail.
And you know, say them come and do so, and then they got one seat they want to know. You get one seat they cool, man.
They're not trouble it, man. It's still there.
All them there.
All them there. All them there did they.
They go. They not get it. This piece microphone with that piece you put them before then get wet again.
Yeah.
Next time I get wet, I will never in there holla.
So I'm going to cry on the ceiling.
The tears are going to flash all about the place. Cry for the joy.
Yeah, man.
You not going to come up here, do you know?
Happiness.
The joy, but you not going to come.
Happiness.
Man, hear about? Which one of them names happiness? You give her that name there?
No care you joy, you know happy, you know, and
Everything gonna go.
Where's some Mas Nevi? What a working they do? Every single one. Screwed up. That means if nobody come, them can't move none. Then they have to move a whole bundle.
the house.
Yeah, kind of funny house.
You want them in a solid take half to get.
If you want, I just put up on the top, it's a little one. Put the hammer back, hammer. If you did have screwdriver, man.
Take out the nail.
You just should be a night and pull it. You pull it, you know?
Come on, man. Woo.
Mas Nevi, that's why I don't give you work.
Screwdriver.
I have to take out nail.
I have to ease up him, man.
To ease up your man.
I follow him, Mas Nevi.
You cannot follow him. I'm not telling you. Should I put them by themselves? So
Them.
already feel plywood.
You have it? Mish cut half of the bread there and make Mas Nevi get here, man.
What going down your son now? Where you do, Marcel?
Working.
Look like you cut up your whole board there.
Yeah.
Mas Nevi, I watch them and see what them a do.
Yeah, you see them.
Did this much you did, you know?
Do it quick, man.
They don't serve long time.
One little mini miner.
Miss about that surprise. Me man on no portion of here.
What you mean?
Yeah.
I don't know.
No water can't stop them there.
No water can't stop it.
You know what I'm saying? To a place.
You have your tone. Me I forgot look what that look like. Me I go on mini minor.
Yeah. Them a bill them new, you know.
Huh?
They still a bill them new, you know.
I wonder if I cool. Also?
That's a cool 5 mini.
Yeah, I see a mini. But oh. Mine and why you look up.
Oh.
So that the one we attack.
I will have engine in the back.
A VW that man.
Yeah, mini not have no engine in the back.
Oh, a VW.
No way attack now.
We are going to water now, the water. That's why we are going to water, you know.
Eh.
And that thing water, the road, everything water can stop it.
VW that.
We used to go water with one in some cup. The house down there.
So what happened to that the car, Master Nevi?
You sell it, man.
Oh,
This probably better man.
a long time, not true?
Oh.
Yeah. From the time you're a young boy.
Yes, man.
If you don't know support, you know.
I believe so like before you did, you miss. Like we know. We're glad for me, know.
Yeah. You go places.
Oh, God. Good life, man. And you know, find yourself in no bad company.
Yes.
If not them things, you know.
Mm-hmm.
No bad company. But if not them things,
No.
Just Marcelli. You hear that? So should I go Master Nevi here? See what I catch. So should I go catch the next one for? So should I go ask if she can take one water?
Oh, ask me now.
So me tell her she not have to ask.
I make her from my kids, yo man.
it's a big flip.
No, ask you nothing. Yes, so I can't eat no bread. You want bread?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, alright, man, come. It's where?
Yeah.
You don't cut the bread yet?
No.
Did one piece you give Master Nevi?
You want peace now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but give me sardine.
I don't know if you want sardine. I asked him. Yeah? You want sardine and bread?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you want it. Come, Master Nevi. Take time and come back.
Night.
Yeah.
Cranky still, man.
The sun not really come out yet still, you know. Careful. Go on round and sit down, me give you. Watch the steel, Marcel. I
You have to
guess.
step so tall, my boss.
You don't know. I must step far for make sure, say. Alright. Yes. You didn't want one fork?
No, mom.
Oh, bread, the sardine in there.
So that I drop off now.
Uh-oh. Probably did. Master Nevi said the biscuit cut up in gum.
Yes, mom.
But Master Nevi, which biscuit that cut up your gum? Cream crackers?
Yes, mom.
Really?
You know, soaking it, whatever I drink it.
As I should do. Whenever I smoke it.
Mm-hmm.
I use spoon to cut it.
Yeah. I don't know.
Cut now.
It's too up, man.
You have to use salt water, man. Warm salt water.
You say cut up so bad he couldn't even eat. Like in cookie, a man couldn't eat it.
Yeah, I have to put a couldn't eat it.
You have the two tough.
Yes, man, I don't leave. I want to talk
I'm not blaming me biscuit.
Black is a one.
No, but I the biscuit first.
Black is a best and feet. You are 50 jam. And 50 one leaf.
Don't leave for what?
Shipment.
Shipment. Oh. But people like it because it's so dry and nice.
man, so you get one foot.
Teeny, stop by.
Where you get?
A soldier.
Soldier, they not going with nothing. Soldier Teeny.
The Teeny here, they may disrespect you. Eh? He said,
Every time I put your son, I say they not where now.
yeah, because it not turn up properly.
So you put it your son white son?
Yes, when I put it like that, the top exposed to the sun. And the charge, just I know last year long kind of charge.
Not my hour miss me, I say they wait.
Okay. So you can put it on.
Then we had a problem on your son.
No remember, not too much heavy.
No, I don't remember but 2 minutes.
Tell me to fix it.
A good thing.
For the whole day me have it out there.
And then you're not getting nothing. Yeah, because if the flap part, if you turn up to the sun, not out. You put it down on it. I say go. At least you know now.
Yes, no.
Next one. Son already in a battery. Okay.
Battery low?
I'm sitting here running battery faster.
You just start use this one.
Hold on, take it. First time around.
You bring no charger, Marcel? If we did bring one, maybe we could have charged in our car. Yes. I'm going to suffer, Miss Ver.
Boy, some
So-
people going to suffer.
Super going to take long for ready.
Can I come here? We can stop before we change your mind.
I remember the last time I don't want none. Man come for the food.
Last time, you remember first time?
No, me don't remember first time. This is the first time.
Your radio can charge.
Huh? Suffer you? Why? No, man. Nah, do that at all. Remember, he's all powerful, so when you see the rain, you ask him to hold it up so that we can come. As we hear it too, and we ask God to just hold it up so that we can come. The rain. You're not for fret, man. Yeah. I see sun come out now.
They always say big, they always turn up here, you know. Most time people can't work, you know.
Oh yeah, then say a bleak they send a fear there.
Yeah. Most time people.
Oh.
We don't carry long belly people with we. So we have big
Ada tahu I was Likkle boy. Carry with you. Hello, me you carry with you. Yeah. You carry long belly. You carry Denny's and the little youth.
We carry long belly people.
Yeah. Make sure they have no food for them.
But Marcel,
Yeah.
you know what? You know, see nothing yet. You want to see the bowl with Mrs. Very carry for soup? You will say something else?
Maybe I flour shall mix up in it.
What? That even flour can mix in there little so till it can't liquor no more.
It's not bring no.
One little bowl.
I shall do that.
This. You want more soup than this? You want more soup than this?
Hey,
See it here.
The biggest bowl.
You want more soup than this?
the no soup can one of that for me, sir.
Come carry me back down the house.
That's why we carry.
I can't me down. Me want me carry down for one bigger bowl.
Yeah.
No, we have some.
No man.
We have bowl.
Give me like this, you know.
That's still too little.
Jesus, man.
You have to go give him the whole pot.
Yeah. They don't want. I say chimney that. I thought of that. Right now, I soup alone, my one.
Yeah, but don't take Sarge, you know.
Huh?
Yeah, don't take Sarge.
Sarge,
But I will super Sarge.
inspector will do.
Brickley.
Oh, them here. Huh?
Sometimes I tell them all 2 days want to me look.
Oh.
Good.
Okay.
So guys, Mas Nevi neighbor church brother come help us clear away some of the old logs from the yard space. So
I want to tell me I put them, brother.
you see how that's still screw up, not moving, well intact. We have to go get back the sledge to break some of these concrete walls on the ground. Because them can't lift up them heavy. Put them separate from the so we can light them.
Yeah, man, shit.
No one use too much ice. Them there.
You have to save a battery.
Yeah, car can charge it.
No left the charger.
No
problem. I could have charged in I carry too, but
We're supposed to have about 2 more spare. Yeah, we used 2 already. We have 2 more. Plastic. Oh, it's glass. Mm-hmm. What are you?
I show them long the green drum there.
You put them at the.
I'm never see a black yet. Huh? I'm coming and ask them dry up on the thing.
You don't want to know. Don't look like a dozen.
Oh, you have to look more than that. Don't look dozen, look 12.
You'll be very easy.
Oh.
Take him over.
Why you strong? I lift up them heavy block there, fling over there, so we can't use them. We're gonna use them then, not true?
I'm filling them.
Oh. Boy. Careful there. They're full. Boy. Boy, careful.
Alright, I'll lift out them. Yeah, I'll lift them out. This
Yeah. All stick off.
What you doing?
I'm going to 3/4 if you cut out the lip.
Oh. Never know.
3/4 inch.
Never know you could do that.
Yeah. And you can do whole it more. Right, look, it's like when I make me measurement when I make now. You now go cut off this.
Oh, you just cut to a certain point and stop.
Certain dip.
I see.
That's how I make my burn.
Both hot, man. That one hot, eh? I will have the fire room, no party to put it.
No. Look from where the plyboards are. That's our last place when I go.
No, I don't know.
Oh, over there? You see it? Brown man, did I use the machete?
No, man, you can chop off one piece of board over there.
Oh. See here. Come out to where this black bag is. Mosquito bite me up. See right to your foot. Look down.
Machete, you look fine.
No.
Another machete.
And then I who for machete that?
Machete, I'm here.
Oh. Oh, that's a brown man machete. Where you say, Teeny? Where you say? Where you say a while ago? Where did I say? What were you saying a while ago?
I done machete.
Oh. Cause me never hear him, so me, you know, me know him say something, but me never hear. Mas Nevi, and Mr. Green, I clean up all around the side, you know? He fling some black around the back there. Why? He's still for just throw the black there. You say water and I tap all in my flash pan you. Here?
Yeah.
I guess we can light on fire.
I know what smoke off place.
You have to try them first.
Yeah, them wet.
That one.
That's a little red. How about I use my clay? I post on my cut.
Talk throat.
I don't want to cut too much.
Disrespecting that.
They're not spoiled. Knock off and gone. Then I have to go back up and later.
I feel like that for my Nevi.
No, must have make them take coffee.
Same bird.
I'll take you to a bar and bar it. What go on up a kitchen?
Miss very quick for answer. Miss Ver said nothing. She all have that the answer they prepared for you. Battery?
Only that can't do.
How are your shoes there?
Not about the
Oh.
Alright, ready? Piece of bread.
Yes, Mr. Brown man, looking much better.
Put up your hand. Put up your hand.
Wait, man, wait, let me take out.
Put up your hand.
Let me go show this over here. So,
Funny back. No heavy higher. No. How you want? Heavy one for my token.
She mash up what?
The black then.
You can't do that, Mas Nevi.
You can't see this right there, so.
But when we get to the part there, but we're not gonna left you with no heavy iron to do nothing. We take up you when we take up you when we're ready, Mas Nevi, no worry about it. And see Brown man clean up a whole lot right around the house. You hear?
Go in bed.
If you go in bed.
Go dream.
rest your body.
Miss Vera say if you rest your body. Marcel say if you go and go dream. But to hear Jesus Savior. Mas Nevi? No, you don't have to do that. That's a gambling.
If you dream say.
I see there, I say I go buy a laptop in front of the can.
If you know. If you dream say you go buy, you get a dream buy laptop.
Mas Nevi, you look like you never know say Mr. Brown man the right side of you. You know?
Everything a man do in life a gambling, you know.
Eh?
Same way, so, sir. Same so, me take you.
Eh, but you know if you go join the line.
Nobody strengthen Mas Nevi.
I know a number.
Some win, some lose.
Yes. You told me say you buy a number last day, we come up with this.
I go buy it.
Where you say? Where you say?
You dream me not come back.
So nobody dreaming.
Buy me not come back.
But you were saying him go dream.
So look how much dreaming can get, eh?
Man, dream man,
No man, you come back.
Send in that way.
You better name.
Oh, that one, yeah.
It's a dream man, may come back.
Yeah, we have a machine.
Ui.
You didn't left murder. Again. Don't dream. Me have a show.
I go dream today, you know what I did dreaming.
So the machine right behind you, no, Marcel?
No man, I'm making use him if you want.
Oh.
So that's the of moving a man. Where we got Joe. If we're going to move we go like this before in the
But a long time in down there dry, Marcel. He's strong man. He might throw the black them from about 1 mile. I don't know if I can see why I do that or what.
Too much strength.
A cow strength.
I saw me down now. Yeah, come on. No want to lick me down. Okay, good.
One like a shade where they make a party.
I don't share that all cost days in it.
So whenever say we are take bed.
Then my mosquito you not play at all.
Where is it now?
Huh?
One knife that man.
Yeah. Stand up in front, you know, and see if I knife. You see next one, don't you?
Which one?
Next one like that to make up.
You want one?
Yeah?
You want one?
Spend them.
You have pipe already?
You know, the pipe come now, I do 2.5, you know?
Me have one.
Half-inch pipe.
You want hammer about one pipe you can bend it back.
Ah, yeah, what I use it. Oh, you know, sir.
I might just go and come back, you know.
Not do that.
You never do it last time, you never do it again. How long time you see him? Some never hear talk to him with you. How happen now? You have go to school together and I know you see him. Miss Berry, you know, do not have that. I'll know me not see my flour mix up.
Alright,
No.
we're not mixing flour for you.
No, you understand there? You don't think I joke?
Whoa.
Guys, chef them. Guys, the chef them now go and we don't know where I get rid of them.
Me no chef, me a cook.
Whatever you be.
I'm a cooker.
Yeah, whatever you be, we are going to get rid of you. You know, so you have to go put in me go on and if you catch this at them I was 16.
You know why I'm big around you a cook, Mass Nevi.
Put in,
If it
yeah.
wasn't for Mass Nevi, you wouldn't be here. Mass Nevi is the Dan right here. That's why.
One extra.
You go cast. Hold on.
One class. We will catch you next one.
No, sir, flat. One flat roof you get.
Miss Vera say no.
I know we shall talk to.
Miss Vera say no, you make sure up here, you know. She say I'm Mass Nevi.
I know Mass Nevi a build house. I Mass Nevi up here a build house.
One next 12
Come here, Benny. I'll leave them.
You can't walk. The thing say Miss Bird can't touch that big pot of soup catch me.
Yeah, no.
No one knows so.
Uncle Sarge.
Nothing me no want out of your pack.
Uncle Sarge.
The last batch of this one.
Fine one.
Uncle Sarge.
Why we should have bring the charger?
Half I drill.
Save it. Yeah, go through, man. Ease up back.
Mas Nevi.
Yes,
You know no charger and they can charge battery.
Mas Nevi say hi, sir.
This one here I go to.
But they not last long.
I forgot buy one different saw. Alright, see that battery here? This is original battery will come with the this that one here. 2.0 amp. So 2 amp, you know. 20 volt 2 amp. Let's see if it will work.
You just change it to that?
That's where the battery comes.
Yeah, they're on a place I'd see them. Them no use.
Oh, you have them in the hills and hide?
Alright, no better say I walk up there hide next somebody go fire.
When I use When you're not using it, quicker.
But they not go in the hills, Mas Nevi. And then I know which part in the hills ain't there.
Me I want when my auntie come and for it.
Auntie.
Auntie, I come for Christmas.
Manage.
How much out there I wait till once somebody come. Yeah?
Because we not give none.
You have to go sell us one of them.
Alright, go on, man.
You sell one?
Come up and near my big wood until you get nothing in plate.
Yeah, make him stay there. You only want to know little cook.
Until I get none.
Can't tell Auntie on the camera so she not get none.
No good for you, Auntie.
Why none? Auntie, you not get none.
Come with that. See if we can put up this one. Here we see the house.
Watch yourself, man.
Watch it.
Whoa.
You have to go brace at airport, say.
You want me brace it for you? Or hold it? Give it a ball. Hold on. Short and up sometime. Cast eruption. Get something in it, maybe.
Take 2 pieces of string.
Lord. You want to put a lot in?
Miss Ver, what want for the lunch?
Me dear, hey, I'm almost ready, but I one person not going to partake.
Ready, Pat?
Boy, Freya here, me ask you must know.
You hear? You
Yes.
hear, bro, man? Say your name, Thomas.
Me bro man attack me dear, I bro man don't know me.
So that the pepper price will go up. So last week you say 5 pepper fee. How much pepper you say for $1,500 last week?
A 10 pepper for $1,500 my daughter says in Mobile.
Right.
But somebody tell me that daughter tell her says $5,000 per pound.
Me?
For hot pepper?
Hot pepper.
Why would I want to pay $5,000 per pound for hot pepper?
Cayenne pepper.
I will say that don't make sense.
Buy pick up pepper in a bucket.
Exactly, and then the pepper in a known time it spoils. So
Country pepper.
Nice, you know?
yeah, that's the pepper we use. That's the best one. So anybody want buy instead of buy the 1 pound for 5,000, just buy cayenne pepper.
Me.
Yes, Miss Fair.
You have to remember the type of meat that you buy.
Oh, for the type of pepper.
No, me say you have to remember the type of meat that you buy.
Oh, it's not meat. What was available?
So we have to wait a little longer.
All right.
At
Patience.
his word.
Yeah, patience.
That's what the movie.
What you say you want to move in with Mass Nevi Denise? You know, you're not easy.
Yeah, what brown man say, your spot hot.
Lord of mercy.
Help me, Jesus.
Worse like how Mass Nevi say you want married long time.
What you say? Talk things. Eh? When man never you can manage you, man. Oh, okay. Then what you going to take to mind them now? That's the one that thing.
Them by themselves.
Oh,
Mass Nevi Denise.
oh, so you want one woman you can mind you? Right.
Box like you know, see no pen.
Oh, God.
Me hear you, man. I don't know when they start saying that. Yeah, so back pension, man.
Mass.
Eh? Mass Nevi used to work at soldier camp? Eh? So how you don't get pension? You don't have nobody to collect if you and go for it?
You don't go for pension, pension come to you.
Eh? Take time with us.
And you used to do national insurance and wasn't too strong.
Eh? So how you don't get pension? Something not right, Mass Nevi.
But the people when we used to work for, and the government have been private people.
Oh, that's the reason why.
Maybe them not pay it over.
Right.
Private people, you know, work for.
Okay.
But when General Thanks having a prime minister, I found that business.
Oh.
A long time though.
Not true. Like Van Damme.
Mass Nevi, not easy. Lord of mercy. Same here.
So man, you might look. So I look up there for them man them.
What you say? What you say you want to do? Oh, so you want to go on YouTube? So when you go on YouTube, you go rich? Alright. Okay. Alright. So this is a little moment then. Oh boy. Me say me so you not put me on YouTube, me want rich. Oh, I saw. Hello Marcel. Baby here so him say, me so you not put me on YouTube, me want rich.
You want rich? Run your boy, want rich. You have to take in education here.
Exactly. That's what you need.
Yep.
You want to look at tonic.
When you some my tonic, you give goat them man.
You want tonic,
Give
man?
me some my goat tonic.
You want drink?
Boy.
Yeah man, say I want drench.
You want drench?
Yeah, leave her.
Marcel, you must show off and you can just don't show all them big block there.
Yeah, first we go back to kitchen for man. Tell me what I go on in the iPad.
Wagwan in there, wagwan. So it's ready, man. It's ready.
Miss Bear.
Ready.
Miss Bear, my friend.
Mr. Nasa, you want Miss Bear say?
And the day me know myself, me never know say something they name so call me no have that thing.
I offer you one bottle of water.
I'm not thankful, sir.
Oh yeah, this is partner, sir. Take it. I already know what you better take it. I have you out of here.
I will disrespect.
Disrespect you.
Oh God.
I'm thankful.
Not thankful, Miss Versa, you're not taking it.
You know what? No, we. Ready, partner?
No, I'm not your soup.
You're there, do so long.
You remember the kind of meat that is in there?
Nobody, we never buy no meat. We buy chicken.
And who did
Okay.
chicken?
And what else?
And what else?
Chicken and turkey neck.
So turkey neck take long. Take turkey neck tough.
It'll take too long. You know, come back up here.
No,
Don't
Yeah?
have to come back up here. You notice that we never climb here.
See, brown man, give me tips. See?
No. I didn't know.
So why make you
sir.
never pressure it? You tell if you borrow pot. Well, you know just pressure it
We
on the
did not
cat.
know that.
Look, you notice that we never climb here hill yet.
But we come here with a pressure cooker, do you know?
Never hill.
Yeah,
we come here with a pressure cooker. But
That me I tell you.
We have to come up here and see if we now continue.
Me and Denise are
the pressure cooker didn't have steam.
phone Denise.
They're trying to cook fish.
Are you telephone operator?
Yes, but you don't answer it.
No, me not
So-
answer it.
so
Me I
that's-
tell you say it a ring.
No. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah?
One thing.
Me no know dear, me no know.
I'm going to tell them if you get tip.
Because I don't even understand. Is that so? You get rich, me dear. You have to take in your education and work hard.
Work hard.
Very hard and save. Work hard, but you have to save.
Daughter them and tell them say them go turn pro you. One name so.
Jesus.
Miss Denise, me don't know why me always call her say no. Denise, if you make sure say you Miss Vera share out your soup, Miss Azeli soup.
So you dinner ready?
Ari Sarge.
You don't look like a soup when I cook. You look like when I cook dinner.
Well,
Must mass Nevi dinner no cook.
I will tell you. Who tell you?
See what I go on.
Mas Nevi dinner.
I want dumpling gone in this no too. They no put.
Yeah, Miss Bear.
Look here, man. Me not gonna know where we go cook nothing. Me not gonna know where we go cook nothing.
You so say.
Me we soon see. Are you? We soon see.
ready. You don't say you have to.
Are you? We soon see.
Huh?
Sarge,
Mass Nevi, you
Sarge.
want put you down there?
Me no want. That's not what.
Put this
Sit
one.
down there, sir. Come up in our kitchen, man.
One make you that left it later.
Make him stay because which part
Come on, black up here, sir.
All right, make that one less.
you want to come up?
I want
You not come up here.
Let one of them.
So when something there?
Who?
Tini gone?
No, Tini right there.
Oh,
And brown man gone, you know, he must be going to cook in oxtail.
I'm stealing a cook.
Then he said hog steel. Hog steel.
A hog steel, he might cook. Hog steel.
oh, you know so.
My dinner there.
See your one day.
And I just go on, that's not enough soap.
If you want more in there, nobody can stop
Why
you.
spoon when you say you can't come there? Thanks, it's a spoon to liquor.
That one
You
you
want,
will do.
you want the shovel?
That's a scoop.
You want the shovel?
The
One spoon.
big spoon you give me.
Then this a 1 year man.
You don't want no
That
fear.
little bit too small, but that one.
See if any come here.
See your food there? This is the event.
And I'm going to go give him.
I am for comfy food.
What's the rest from it for? Thanks, seafood.
You're welcome.
Yeah. You have to give it soap in a big container.
Well, this belly don't want none. Neither when I in that big.
Master, you not get no spoon?
He have spoon. He say he has not a lot of spoon. But give it to me have spoon man.
Money bunny up.
Mas Nevi love soup, so tell him now, but I even go for the spoon. Oi. Come here, Teeny. Carry this, go give Mas Nevi for me. We are carrying down Mas Nevi grocery. We bring down one box already, and we just want to say thanks to Brother West for making this possible for Mas Nevi. Mas Nevi. Oh.
Hello. Here, come on,
Mas Nevi is another box out here. Is two. Put on that one and come.
Huh?
Oh, mark up down there already. May I say check with 44 then?
Just rest it in the settee right there. So those are your groceries, Mas Nevi, from Brother West.
Yes, no, God bless you.
All right.
Can I take 4 fires, sir?
Yes.
Your water done? I'll give some before I leave. We bring some water.
That's not ready yet. Yeah.
You have your market up already?
Mr. Mom, back it tape. So you put in a middle. Other one there you mark. You put in.
If I think so, no, it's only Likkle, you see. I think so, not there, slap you.
One more for this and one more. Come most Nevi still getting in house still.
Can I steal it then?
Time is moving fast. It's after 2 already.
I feel we have been up this time.
Now come back. Not true. I've done everything today.
Done with everything.
I mean, I'm with that.
Where is Mas Nevi?
Waiting good.
You now work.
You say Fanny now.
Oh, Fanny now waiting. All right.
It's even a father in the house and not just here so you feel comfortable.
Yes.
I don't make it bad at me.
True, man.
You don't make it bad at me if you're any even wait to bed.
I have to take it.
But Mas Nevi want comfort.
Me in my
Not taking
house
half
and me waiting the way make sense.
Oh.
You know make sense. Me can't
Keep going.
work or stay out.
True.
Yeah, we go fly up the kitchen around it.
Rain a fall and
So that's okay just now.
this one lady say you know I'm 50 and you
push you up more.
about her. What she have
What
that
looks like
when
it?
name well Manchester this.
Oh, yeah.
Monday.
Yeah. So Mas Nevi, on Monday again.
Monday again, Miss Annie.
Yes.
Monday again.
It's just a minute, you soon get it.
I feel home if I'll go for my man tomorrow. Go line up.
My youth.
Oh, Mas Nevi?
Yeah. I say one.
He want him bought.
Hey, bye.
See there. What you do with the Mas Nevi? Oh, he want it somewhere where you know where there.
I'm bring me that girl, look a facelift then.
I feel the ugly
That's how we
machine.
work.
You sweep it up and
I'm
thing.
not this.
Feel me?
Huh?
Alright guys, so we have come to the end of our work day. The plan was to get everything done today, not true, Marcel? But unfortunately, we just managed to. Fortunately and unfortunately. So fortunately, we get to frame it out, but unfortunately, we never get to start putting up the plyboard and put on the zinc. But we return on Monday. Tomorrow is Saturday, and then Sunday, Monday. We'll be back on Monday here, Mas Nevi.
Bright and early.
Bright and early to continue the work. Mas Nevi say him now there Monday morning, right? So
Go on mission.
he's going. Right, when you come back, he might come in at the house. So that is it, guys. Just want to say thanks to our entire team here today. Marcel, big up yourself. Big up Even. And then we have Denise and Miss Ver. Tina came as well. And of course, Mas Nevi neighbor, church-in-law. Remember church-in-law? Is that a new one? Church brother. And neighbor was here and him do an excellent job just removing all the debris from around the house. So we thank him very much. Alright, I want to say thanks to Brother West for sending groceries for Mas Nevi.
Put it behind the salad section. Right, I hope you're not there. Put it behind her.
Alright, so
Nevi didn't come.
Dinner? Anyway, actually, me can't put out the anyway. No, that today. I'll have my that me come gas done.
oh,
Send me on here.
Where you come down if
alright, so okay.
You say something about somebody
I come go like you want to disrespect me, you know, but disrespect your wicked yourself.
Oh yeah, lift some water with Mas Nevi in this too.
I give him one of this already, I give him one next one.
Okay, okay.
So I already know what time also.
Yeah. Alright, so guys, this is where we end the video for today. We thank you so much for being on board. We thank you for your continued support. And until next time, this is where we end the video for today.
I'm going to sir.
Yes, Mas Nevi, say thank you. Sir and Mom. Alright, so bye guys. Thank you so much for making it Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye bye.
Yeah.